guys, Hope Savara here. It's Fitness Friday, coming to you live from the truck. I want to show you a quick move that you can do, well, from the driver's seat, from your living room seat, from any seat, to help reduce back pain and hip pain. I'm talking about pain in the groin, and a lot of times that pesky glute pain. Those two, when there's tension, can cause back tension or back pain, when really it's not your back's fault. Let me know in the comment section if you know what I'm talking about, that backache or back pain, or that grabbing in your hip flexor that just doesn't seem to go away. A lot of times the cause, unfortunately, is your job. But the good news is that you can do things throughout the day to help reduce that pain and tension, to help you keep on trucking. All right, so before we do that, drop it in the comment section. Let me know where you're tuning in from, where you coming, where you going. I'm coming to you live from my home here in Wisconsin. Thumbs up to everybody that's trucking through Wisconsin. But all right, here we go. Let's get to it. So you're in the driver's seat. First things first, I want you to move the seat back far enough so that you have room to move, okay? If you're really uptight against the steering wheel, this is gonna be difficult, so you might wanna then do it in a different seat. So first of two moves, the first one is just simply bringing that knee up into the chest. Now when you do that, we're not gonna round and slump. I can either hold underneath my thigh or I can grab up, and as I pull my knee into the chest, and if you're a little bit larger in the middle, pull the knee wide and bring your torso up as tall as you possibly can. I can feel that in my lower back. So if you've been sitting with more of a C-curve spine or rounded posture all day, that's gonna feel really good. Take that even further and pull the shoulder blades together and drop your chin. So now I'm not only getting a hip and hamstring stretch, I'm also working my back. The second version is for you to drop that knee open. Now you notice my door is open, so if you're doing the driver's side leg, it won't work when the door is closed. So you'll have to have that door open, or again, use any seat available. The other leg will be a lot easier. But as you drop that knee open, notice how easily the knee falls open. This will tell you a lot about the tension in the groin. There's a muscle in there called the psoas and the iliacus. Those get really tight from sitting a lot. So if your knee is an elbow rest, this move is for you. Once you've done that, all you're gonna do, I can use the steering wheel, is sit nice and tall. Again, I can feel that in my lower back. It's just a nice pull. I can also use my hand and just very gently encourage the leg to drop down. Now, when we force our body into a stretch or into an exercise, remember that our nervous system is woven in with our muscles and our tissues. So when we force, the body clenches and fights back. So just nice and easy, drop that leg open. I could take this even a step further and add a little bit of a twist. I just heard my back pop there. I'm gonna feel really good after this now. And so remember, again, I'm dropping the knee open. I'm sitting tall using the steering wheel if I want. I can bring that knee into the chest. You could probably even rest it on the steering wheel if you needed to for a little bit of support. But try this on both legs. Try to do this in the morning, maybe in the middle of the day if you're stopping, and then at night you could even do this on the sleeper. You could even do these laying down. The options are limitless, but you have to actually be proactive with your body. You actually have to make those decisions to implement the small, simple changes into your day. This isn't about exercising for 20 or 30 minutes a day. This is about you making an effort to move more in your day. There's a difference. And when you choose to move more in everyday life, your body will benefit tenfold. All right, you guys, I have a call to action for you. I have a request. Mark your calendars, because the Sunday after Thanksgiving, November 28th, Mother Trucker Yoga, yours truly, is going to be on Startup Season 9, Episode 9 on pbs.org. And so set your calendars. Go to startup.com and you can check out the local listings. If you're going to be in the Central Time Zone, we're at 12:30 Central. That's November 28th. I'll drop the link here in the comments for you to check out when we are going to be live. A whole episode dedicated to all of you drivers, showing everybody what drivers can do to help improve their health and why every single one of you is so important to our economy. All right, you guys, until next time, I will see you soon. Let me know in the comments below what you thought about this video and show me some love. Peace out.